Hi guys, welcome back to 4K's Daily Adventure. Today we're making cookies, but I feel like I need some help. Hi! Are you gonna help me? Yup, sounds like some cookies are being made. Do you know what kind of cookies they are though? You said just cookies. True. Butter cookies? Okay, let's get started. The first ingredient we need is butter. In a big bowl. You whip it with a whipper. But how much butter should we put in? Oh yeah. 7 tablespoons of butter. I'm whipping. Whip, 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 whip. Do you know what the next ingredient is? Sugar. Oh yes. That sounds right. Sugar. How much sugar? 1/3 cup of sugar. It's snowing. So, do you know the next ingredient? Wait, let me whip it a little. Okay, you can whip. Right. Whip, 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 whip. You need 1 egg. Oh, there's the egg. Go in, little eggy. Egg, egg, egg. It's good for you if it's cooked. This is what our batter should look like. Oops. Okay. Now, do you know the next ingredient? I know. Flour, but what else? 1/2 cup of flour. Sounds pour it in. How about I pour it and you use the pig? Pink thingy, pink thingy. Do later. Okay, last of it. Okay, we can fold it and mix it and do whatever. I'm not very good at folding, so I think you should do it. And it looks mostly flour. Wow, it looks very foamy. Wow, all it looks like is just white snow mountains, which is pretty cool. This is what your dough should look like when you're finished folding in the powder. It kind of looks like ice cream. If you like, you can put 1 teaspoon of vanilla extra. And you pour it in. Hopefully all the cookies have them, because then it'll taste good. Ice cream, but not ice cream. Now we need to put our dough in saran wrap. So you get your dough and just plop it down. It looks like a taco. 2 hours. Instead of folding it, you might want to roll it so it's like a hot dog. And then once it's done, like cooling down and freezing, you can take out the plastic and just go and then put it on your paint. I can't imagine sitting in a fridge for 2 hours. That would be very funny. Well, time to put it in the refrigerator. It's been 2 hours since we put our dough in the fridge. Time to take it out. Let's go. I think it broke in half. Okay, we can take it out of the wrapper. Whoa. Oh, wait. First, we're supposed to put on the flour so it doesn't stick. Ready? Get a pinch and drizzle it. Feels so good. I think that should be good for now. Okay. Wrap it. Oh, no. You get one side, I get the other. Okay? Okay. We need the rolling pin. Yeah, rolling pin. Excellent. Okay, now, ready? Watch me, okay? I'm just watching it too. Since we are done flattening, now we get our cookie shapes. We have different types. Put it in. Oh no. And you put it back in. Sit down. And then you have to carefully lift it up and put it on the pan. Then more stars. Not very careful. Oh, a giant piece. your oven for 350 degrees. Wait a minute. There's something missing. What do we really need? These cookies. Sprinkle! Oh, thank you. Okay, I'll use white. So how will we do it exactly? Yes. Can someone open this?
Can I please have the white? White, please.
Be sure to stay away from oven because this is just a giant metal box and heat flies out because heat goes up. So stay away, open it, put in your cookies. And set a timer to 15, start. Now you wait. Hey, looks like our cookie's done. Now it's time to take it out. But first, you have to put mitten gloves and you need parental supervision. And once again, stand back because the heat. Don't forget to turn off your oven. That's a great idea. Bing! After you finish making them, you can drink them with milk or a different drink. You can choose. And get a plate and serve them. I like this one because it's purple, white, red, and blue. I think I'll take this one. Whoa, it's very covered with lots of sprinkles. And you know why it's brown? It's brown because we added like cocoa powder to make them actually taste like chocolate cookies. Okay, dipping it in. Hey, it actually tastes pretty good. Good. Yay! Hopefully you like this recipe. If you did, please press the big thumbs up and subscribe. And hopefully your cookies turn out as good as ours. And you can choose any color sprinkles you would like. So, bye! See you next time at 4Kids Daily Adventures.